Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this light. Right here, we're going to open it. Going to open it. We have the user manual, as you guys can see. And it's all in Spanish and different languages. Yeah. Who really understands this kind of language? Okay, so right here what we get is, I'm assuming this is the remote. You guys can see this is the remote. It needs batteries, so yeah. And this is, what is this? Oh, this is the power cord. Surprise, it's Type C. And I'm going to put that on the side. Right here we have the light itself. I don't know. You captured that movement. Okay. And this is what it looks like, as you guys can see. Let's see. So you guys have like your little speaker, and you have your turn on and turn off, as you guys can see. And you have like your pause button, your skip button, and all that. And I'm assuming this is the brightness to turn it up. I'm assuming, I don't know if it's on or off. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and plug it in and see how it is. Okay, let's go ahead and, this is not that long. So, we have the charger, and it's weird how it plugs in, but it still is. Okay, where do I plug it in? So we're gonna shut up the light, and we're gonna show it. Come on.
Bluetooth mode.
So right here,
Bluetooth connection.
it looks so cool, as you guys can see. It's like a moving thing. It's very cool. So right here we're gonna put some music on, and we're gonna put on. So when you're looking at the thing, it should be, hold on, let me be sure, it is BTK10. It should be like that. It probably is different for you guys, but I really don't know. So we're going to play some music and show you guys how it is.
Broken home, I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I'll never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired.
Okay, so this is the review of the the light thingy, and as you guys can see, we got the remote too. It has voice control and stuff like that. It was pretty cool. So this light has ocean waves light. They have the story light, music speaker, remote control, voice control, timer, and rotation. Thank you for watching. Bye.